Guys, what's up? This is ReadyGretti1122, and today I will be playing The Sims 4. And this is the first time I've ever made a video when I'm playing Sims 4. I have made a video before, I don't remember, but I think I played Animal Jam. So yeah, so let's start playing the game, shall we? Yeah, I'm just gonna pause the video because it takes forever to load. So, be right back. I'm back. And I'll be making a girl, and I'm going to make her, live, in one of these houses. I think I'll do this house. Because I have made one of my Sims live in there, and it was really pretty in there. And it's very bigger than this house. So, how much money is it? Okay, so that's good. That's good. Enough money. Okay. You don't need to see my other people. Okay, so let's click on this house. Let's click this. Once again, it takes forever to load, so I'm gonna pause the video right here and be right back. So we are making a young adult. I don't know what the name should be. Elsie, I like that. And let's do nope. Elsie Kearns. Okay, I like that. So obviously I want her to, when you click on it, soulmate. This sim wants to find and live a rewarding life with someone. And I think I want to make her a dog lover. Neat. And a music lover. Beautiful, darling, beautiful. So, when I always make a sim, I always start with the face and head. So, I think I'm gonna make her tan.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Mom, I'm making a video.
What?
I'm making a video.
You are?
Yeah.
Well, okay.
So let's do this, and the hair. Come on. Let's do this hair. I like that one. Okay, and let's do brown.
So nice out.
Is it? Not that color. Wait. I should, but there's a lot of cars outside.
What?
But there's gonna be a lot of cars outside. And they're gonna kind of ruin the video, Mom. So, the earrings, I think we should do these, because they're pretty. And the thing is, I'm gonna kind of make her Mexican a little bit. So this dress maybe, but different color. Maybe, yeah, I like that. And the shoes, let's do flats. No, wedges. Not wedges. Let's do these, because they're pretty. Those are my favorite shoes, because I got the backyard now, and it's so cool. Okay, now I have that one, so maybe some bracelets and rings. Oh wait. What bracelets to do? Let's do this. Nah, I don't like that one. I like this one. Let's use the black and white because it matches the dress, even though the dress has white on it. On the other hand, I like this one, gold. And for the necklace, I think. Oh, I forgot about the necklace. What I think we should do for the necklace, gold. That's pretty. Now this dress, it matches the other dress, but I don't want to do that one. Maybe, we can do this one. Yeah, I like that one. And for the shoes, we do that one. And let's do the same necklace again. It's really pretty. Oh wait, I forgot to use the eyes and nose and lips. The eyes, I want them to be a little darker. And I always go to the bottom and do these ones now. And grab detail edit mode. Make them small. Okay, I forgot. Okay, let's do these. No, what's that? I like those, but yeah. Now for the lips, I think we should do face. Oh, he's smiling. And for the nose, I'm not sure. Earrings. I'm going to pause the video right here so I can finish her and I'll show you everything I've done with her. So be right back. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you my sim. So here's the everyday outfit. Oh, let me go slower. Okay, I'm trying to go slower. The formal outfit is this. The, what is it called? The athletic outfit is this outfit. Nope. No, other way. The what is it called? Sleep outfit is this. No, other way. The party outfit is this outfit. Oh, other way. The swimwear outfit is this. Keep doing it the wrong way. Okay. Pretty. The hot weather outfit, even though I don't have the seasons pack, they still have the hot weather and cold weather on there. I just don't know why I still do it though. Is this outfit, by the way? Do we do that one? It's been so. Now the cold weather is this. To spin. Every day. Back every day. So this is my girl, Elsie Kieran's, like the girl I'm doing. So let's get right to the playing the gamesy things. I'll be right back. Gonna take forever to load. So I'm back, and she is in her little home now. She is reading a book already. I don't know what she's reading. Real her. Okay, that's not creepy at all. Why is there fruitcake here again? I don't know. Let's throw it in the trash. Oh, are they really here already? No way. Unless they're just gonna get an argument again. No, not her. Please, not her. Is this really what you're just gonna do? Read? He's not even gonna read. Can you practice singing since you need it? No, I want you to practice cooking. Learn how to cook cool things. So, what time is it? So it's 9:43. So maybe she can cook some breakfast for us. This is dinner. Maybe some scrambled eggs and bacon. Single serving. Macarena. Oh, wait, well, I'm missing macarena. So, she is cooking scrambled eggs and bacon. Oh, yay! She acquired a cooking skill. Elsie's new skill in cooking will allow her to prepare delicious, straightforward classics. Yum! The higher the skill level, the more recipes become unlocked. Cool. Let's take some. Oh, don't pretend no one saw that. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. So, in this video, I might do a part 2 of this video too, because I might want her to get a boyfriend. Eat. Do not watch TV. Eat. You can watch TV while you're eating. That makes perfect sense. Sit here and watch channel. Well, you watch the cooking channel because you're learning how to cook. And if you watch the cooking channel, it gains your cooking skill. Are you watching? See, it gains cooking skill. So since she only has like 4,833 money, I'm gonna get her some more. Mother load. And you don't, yes. All the monies in the world. Yes. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm getting all the monies in the world. Yay. I have money. Nope. Okay. Since your neighbors. Oh jeez. Oh no. So okay. I made him.